Well, hello there, Cuban gardener here. Look at all the growth we've had with all the rain here in Miami or South Florida. It's been raining for like I don't know 8 days, I think, nonstop. Especially brassicas, cabbage, broccoli, kale, kohlrabi, anything in that family will grow a lot when it's raining or where there's a lot of water. Because basically it's a leaf vegetable, so they just they just need a lot of water. Look at that. I mean, this is my first time growing this variety, and I can tell they take a lot of space. So I'm not gonna be growing it again.